Hey everyone, welcome back to Cricut UK. We are super excited today because we're going to be showing you a first look on all the new materials that Cricut have released this September, and trust me, you are going to love them. I'm going to start by going through the products first and telling you what they do, and then we're going to move on to some inspiration on how you can upgrade your Cricut crafting game. So to kick things off, I'm showing you the Cricut Puff Iron-On. This is great for clothing, bags, pillows, and so much more. Puff Iron-On expands and puffs up when heat pressed, and it also gives your designs a spongy, 3D textured feel. As I said, these are great for t-shirts, bags, clothing, but basically anywhere you're looking to get an eye-catching, more tactile effect. Next we have Flock Iron-On. This gives a soft, velvety, almost suede-like effect. Instead of being smooth and shiny like regular iron-on, Flock Iron-On gives you that fuzzy matte finish which really pops on fabric. Just like the Puff Iron-On, the Flock can be used on bags, clothing, and so much more. Think of it as a way to add a touchable luxury feel to your Cricut projects. Next we have the dual-ended markers. These come with two separate ends, and one is a 1mm marker and one is a 0.4 marker. These come in 20 different colours, so you'll be spoiled for choice for those draw then cut projects. We have a new Smart Vinyl edition, and it's this gorgeous rainbow permanent vinyl. This not only comes with a roll of vinyl, but you also get some strong grip tape in here too. This is going to be perfect for your water bottles, notebooks, and so much more. I can't wait to show you this. And last but by no means least, we have the printable magnet paper. This is just to be used with your regular inkjet printer and is perfect for photos, save the dates, and so much more. So that's it. There's our first look on all the new Cricut materials this September. So now it's time for the exciting part. I'm going to show you some inspiration on how you can use these materials in your everyday crafting. I am absolutely loving the brand new Rainbow Smart Vinyl. Just look at those colours. It's so bright, so fun, and perfect for these window film stickers that I'm going to make. My Cricut cuts straight through it with ease, and honestly, it's such a smooth process. It really is easy to read, and even with those little small details. I'm using the included strong grit tape for this, and it makes applying the vinyl to my window film super easy. And the end result, a bright, bold rainbow sticker that looks amazing and catches the light perfectly. I can already think of so many fun projects to use this on. Next up, I'm working with the new Flock Iron-On, and honestly, it's an absolute dream. When it comes to cutting, my Cricut machine handles it so well. Even with the little shapes for my ladybird design, the blades glide through it without any effort at all. It really does cut like butter, which makes a huge difference when you're working on detailed projects. Once all my cuts are complete, then comes in the weeding, and this is where it gets even better. The excess vinyl just lifts away so easy, leaving all those crisp edges behind. Even the tiny details stay put exactly where they should be, which saves you so much time and frustration. For this video, I'm layering the red and black flock onto a pillow with a really cute ladybird design and saying. Before pressing, I always preheat my pillow cover with the Easy Press Free just for a few seconds. This removes any moisture and smooths out the fabric, giving you the perfect surface to press onto. Once that's ready, I place my wording and design onto the cover, and then it's a simple press with my Easy Press. The layers of flock bond together beautifully because it's so secure once it's cooled. Now it's a case of pressing the ladybird details and building up those layers. Each one goes down with ease, and they stack so neatly to create that fun dimensional look. Finally, I peel away the transfer tape to reveal the finished pillow, and it's soft, vibrant, and super cute. The layered ladybird design really pops, and the Flock Iron-On has definitely earned a spot as one of my new to-go-to materials. Now I'm moving on to the all-new Cricut printable magnetic sheets, and these are so much fun to play with. The great thing is you don't need any fancy printers. It's just a standard home inkjet printer, and it works perfectly. I printed my design straight onto the magnetic sheet, and once it was ready, I placed it onto my mat and used my brayer to roll it down. That step really helps keep the sheet flat and secure so you can get a clean, precise cut without any lifting. Once it's in the machine, it cuts beautifully with nice smooth edges every time. These sheets are brilliant for making your own fridge magnets, save the dates, kids games, or decorative pieces for around the house. Next up are the brand new Cricut dual tip markers, and these are such a game changer. Each pen is double-ended with a 0.4mm fine tip on one side and a 1mm thicker tip on the other. That means you can switch between delicate detailed work and bold vibrant lines without needing two separate pens. They slot straight into your A-clamp on your Cricut, so they're super easy to use, and just pop them in and let the machine do the magic. Honestly, they are such a dream to work with. The ink flows smoothly, the colours are so bright and punchy. They are just perfect for cards, labels, colouring designs, and also adding that extra pop of detail to any project. And finally, we've got Cricut's Puff Iron-On. It's so cool to use. It looks like regular iron-on when you first cut it, but once you press it with heat, it puffs up to give you a raised textured finish. My machine cuts through it with ease, and it weeds really well too. You'll need a little extra pressure for this project and a heat-resistant flat surface to get the best results. It might take a little practice to get the technique just right, but once you do, you'll be puff vinyling everything. And that's the latest drop of Cricut materials: Flock and Puff Iron-On, markers, magnetic sheets, and more. They're so easy to use and add such a fun professional finish to your projects, and I cannot wait to see what you make with them.